Welcome to the workshop, baby. We back. Another reaction video. We got ATEEZ. ATEEZ. I'm the one. I don't know what this is. I have no clue what this is. I don't know. I see like Asian lettering. So, am I getting another K-pop group? Is this another K-pop group? Is that what I'm seeing? Gotta be, right? Something. This is something. Gotta be a K-pop group. Let's see what it is. KQ Entertainment. Oh, okay. So it is a K-pop group. Okay, can somebody tell me how you... Oh, snap. Sorry. Can somebody tell me how you pronounce it? Is it ATEEZ or ATEEZ? It's T's for sure, though. But is it ATEEZ or ATEEZ? Okay, I'm feeling the swag, bro. You know what I mean? Nice little... You feel me? Sherlock Holmes vibe with the suit, you know what I mean? But it's tailored though. You feel me? Off the black. I like that. Bro, hold on, wait. He just came. He came in off the TikTok vibes though. He talking about. He came in off the little TikTok vibes. They going hard, dog. Got the little crinkly cut, the little Jerry curl action going. Okay, so usually like in videos, like they have like a theme, a group got like a theme going on with their clothes, like. You feel me? It might be like a color theme, or it might be like a, you know what I mean, a certain style thing. They all just said, we gonna show up and we gonna wear what we wanna wear. You know what I mean? Like, they got a different lot of styles. You feel me? He doing the jean crop top. You feel me, John? He got the leather jacket off the, you know what I mean, combat boots. Like, they he got the suit jacket. The dog just break his neck. Also, they mixing the Korean with the English. Don't know if they actually speaking Korean or not. I just know it's K-pop, so that's why I'm just. But I know they mixing their language in with the English, cause some of these words I cannot understand. This kind of look like, if y'all ever seen that French Montana song, this look like the same setup. They went to the same spot. My boy Jay know what I'm talking about. This look like the same little location though, a little bit. Off that Hot Boy Bling song. Y'all ever heard that? Check it out. It's on my channel, man. Workshop. Check it out. Okay, what's his name? I'm feeling him. I like how he coming in, nice little soft voice. the rapper? He gotta be like the rapper, right? Oh, he coming with the swag. Hold up. He coming with the swag. That's a fluorescent red right there. Oh, he switched outfits. Okay. He just like crop tops, I see. He like showing off his little six pack. Okay. This is what I like to see right here. Cohesiveness in the outfits. You see red and black is the theme. He extra red, like leathery. He got like the Matador, you know what I mean, swag going on. That like a straight jacket off the red. Chill red vibes in the pants, going classic with the black leather jacket. You know what I mean? At first, it kind of was like, it was a lot going on. But it's real more cohesive. I like it. Real cohesive right here. Y'all boys looking great, man. That little move right there, they going hard with that. The song called Fireworks. You see the fireworks going on. Okay, that was ATEEZ. Oh, no, wait, what's going on? Oh, yeah. What's this? Zero Fever Part 2? Okay, I might have to see what's going on. Zero Fever Part 2. All right, that was ATEEZ or ATEEZ. I think it's ATEEZ or ATEEZ. ATEEZ. I don't know. Can y'all help me out in the comment section? So, obviously, this is a K-pop group. Gotta be. Right? Okay. From my understanding, my introduction into K-pop was Blackpink. And that was like a month ago. Not even all the way. It was like a month ago. So, that's my first time ever hearing K-pop, like a full song ever. I actually watched the documentary on Blackpink. So, I guess how these groups come about, most of them, I'm not sure about all of them, but most of them, it's like an agency, you know what I mean? Like these people like, yo, if you want to be a superstar, come join our school, you know what I mean? And they go like to a boarding school for music, and it'd be like thousands of people come try out. If they like you, they'll have you, and you just audition with mad other people. And then if you look good, if they like how you doing, they just gonna put you in a group, and y'all just gonna be a group together. Like, you know, usually in America, how most groups, some groups are artificially made. Am I saying artificial? Is that real? No. Real is organic. Yeah. So most groups is like hand-picked. Like, it's not most. Some groups are hand-picked, and like, I think you, and you will be good together. You know what I mean? Most groups, though, it's just like, I know you from here. You know what I mean? You know me from here, or we like cousins or sisters or something, and we just come together, and we come like that. You know what I mean? But out there, how they do it is they take people and they say, I like your sound, I like your sound, I like your swag, I like the way you dance, I like the way you sing, I like how y'all look together. We gonna put all 8 of y'all in a group and we finna give y'all a name and see what happens. You know what I mean? That's how Black Pink was done. That on the documentary, that's what it looked like they did. So I'm guessing that's how most groups come about. So yeah. Shout out to ATEEZ. If y'all want me to do more K-pop videos, reacting, I will. Let me know in the comment section and I'll do it. But let me know about their background story. Can y'all tell me who is who in these videos, what they do? Just let me know. Just help me out, please.